let's find the limit as x approaches 1 of absolute value of x minus x over x minus 1. So we're going to do this two separate ways. Okay, first note that the absolute value of x is equal to x if x is bigger than or equal to 0, and negative x if x is less than 0. Here we're approaching x equals 1, so obviously we're going to use x in place of absolute value of x. Now x minus x is 0, so this will be 0 over x minus 1. And here it's a mistake to plug in 1 for x, because 0 over x minus 1 is just 0. So we can stop there and say that the limit is equal to 0. Now another way to do this is by using L'Hopital's rule. So you plug in x equals 1 from the beginning and get 0 over 0. So you want to take the derivative of the top and the bottom. But now the problem is, how do you take the derivative of absolute value of x? Well, the absolute value of x is the square root of x squared, which the square root of x squared is x squared to the 1/2 power. So we're going to substitute that in for the absolute value of x. And so in order to take the derivative, you want to use the chain rule. So you first bring down the exponent, so take the derivative of the outside function. Inside function stays the same, subtract 1, and then take the derivative of the inside function, which is the derivative of x squared. So that's done. And then the derivative of negative x is just negative 1. And then the bottom is just 1, so I'm not even going to bother writing it. And now at this point, things are going to cancel. The 1/2 and the 2 go away. And then we'll multiply x squared to negative 1/2 power is just x to negative 1 times x minus 1. X is obviously to the first power, and so here we would add the exponents. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. You get x to the 0, which is just 1. So this thing is 1. So you have 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Obviously the first way is much better, but here are two different ways to solve it.